In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct words in a Descript transcript. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to web.descript.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your account if needed, and open the project that contains the transcript you want to fix. This method is especially useful when Descript has transcribed a word incorrectly and you want to quickly clean up the text without manually reworking larger sections. The nice thing about this tool is that it lets you make very targeted corrections right where the mistake appears. After your project is open, look through the transcript and find the exact words that are incorrect. When you spot a mistake, highlight only the specific word or phrase that needs to be fixed. Try to be precise here. Selecting just the wrong text helps Descript exactly what you want to change, and it also reduces the chance of accidentally editing surrounding words that are already correct. If you're working through a long transcript, it can help to move slowly and review one sentence at a time so you don't miss small errors. Once the incorrect words are highlighted, press C on your keyboard. You can also click Correct in the pop-up toolbar if you prefer using the mouse. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster and more comfortable for your workflow. This opens the correction tool for the selected text and tells Descript that you want to replace the current wording with something more accurate. When the input box appears, type in the correct text exactly as you want it to show in the transcript. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and punctuation, especially if the word is a name, a technical term, or something Descript may have misheard the first time. Entering the corrected text clearly helps keep your transcript polished and easier to read. After that, review the updated transcript to make sure the change looks right in context. If you're cleaning up multiple errors, simply repeat the same process for each one. Select the incorrect words, open the correct tool, and type the replacement text. It's a quick, straightforward way to improve transcript accuracy without interrupting the flow of your editing. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and a keyboard shortcut, you can fix transcription mistakes efficiently and keep your Descript project clean, accurate, and ready for the next stage of editing.